Universal Car Autos brings you global coverage of the latest vehicles, expert reviews, tech insights, and everything automotive that matters most. In this video, we take a close look at the 2025 Dacia Spring, a compact electric vehicle designed to make electric mobility accessible and practical for everyone. As one of the most affordable EVs in Europe, the Dacia Spring continues to deliver simplicity, efficiency, and urban versatility with its updated 2025 model. The 2025 Dacia Spring features a revised front end with a cleaner, more modern appearance, thanks to redesigned LED headlights and a sharper grille design. Despite its compact dimensions, the car offers surprising practicality with 4 doors, a raised ride height, and roof bars that give it a mini crossover look. Its small size makes it perfect for city driving, tight parking spaces, and navigating through busy traffic with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Spring offers 2 electric motor options. The base version produces around 45 horsepower, while the upgraded variant delivers a more lively 65 horsepower, both powered by a 26.8 kWh battery. Though not built for high-speed performance, the Spring is ideal for city commuting and short trips. The range is approximately 140 to 155 miles on a full charge, depending on the driving conditions and version, making it more than sufficient for daily urban use. Charging is simple and convenient, with the ability to charge from 20 to 80% in less than an hour using DC fast charging, while standard home charging takes several hours overnight. Inside, the 2025 Spring stays true to its value-first approach but brings improved tech and better materials compared to previous models. A new digital instrument cluster, updated infotainment system with a 10-inch touchscreen, and wireless smartphone connectivity are now included in higher trims. Basic controls remain user-friendly and tactile, keeping the driving experience straightforward and focused. The interior offers seating for 4, with surprisingly good headroom and decent legroom for a car of its size. The trunk capacity is around 290 liters, expandable with folding rear seats, making it practical for shopping trips or small luggage. Safety features have also seen improvements, with standard equipment now including rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and electronic stability control. These features help ensure peace of mind for drivers using the Spring in busy city environments. Its light steering and tight turning circle also make maneuvering incredibly easy. One of the standout qualities of the Dacia Spring is its affordability, both in purchase price and running costs. As fuel prices rise and environmental regulations tighten, the Spring represents a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers who want to transition to electric mobility without sacrificing practicality or reliability. With its blend of updated design, improved range, better tech, and unbeatable value, the 2025 Dacia Spring is set to remain one of the best entry-level EV options on the market. For more updates, in-depth reviews, and the latest